Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get your electronic verification code for income tax. The EVC is a crucial 10-digit alphanumeric code that securely authenticates your income tax returns and other transactions on the e-filing portal. It ensures the authenticity of your submissions, making the process paperless and efficient. Once generated, this code is valid for 72 hours, so use it promptly for verification. One of the simplest ways to generate your EVC is through Aadhaar OTP. First, ensure your Aadhaar is linked with your permanent account number. Then, log in to the Income Tax e-filing portal, navigate to the Generate EVC option, and choose through Aadhaar OTP. You will receive a 6-digit one-time password on your Aadhaar-registered mobile number. Enter this OTP on the portal to complete the EVC generation. Another convenient method is generating EVC through net banking. Begin by logging into your bank's net banking portal. Locate the e-filing or income tax e-verification option, which will redirect you to the income tax e-filing portal. Once there, select the Generate EVC service. Your EVC will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID, allowing you to verify your tax filings. You can also generate an EVC using a pre-validated bank account. It's essential to first pre-validate your bank account on the e-filing portal and ensure your permanent account number is linked to it. After logging in, go to the Generate EVC section and select the Through Bank Account option. The EVC will then be sent to the mobile number and email ID verified with your bank, ready for your tax verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.